Who's really leading our country away from God? You'll be surprised again. The right to assemble peacefully is in the First Amendment. That includes peaceful protest, but also the right to form a labor union and more. And this is definitely a Christian principle. How so? When Jesus came, he called very different people together in his mission, a new humanity for all humanity. This was really liberating for people, especially women, because they could do something higher than just get married and have kids. Almost immediately, Christians began to organize in teams. Some served the sick, some traveled and preached. Some became teachers and scholars. These Christians formed communities around a shared sense of calling or vocation. It was a higher calling than your biological family, tribe, or caste. Monasteries and convents later became Catholic orders, guilds, and special societies. People grew in teamwork and leadership. It was an early meritocracy. Then came corporations, a secular version of the monastery. Now, there are ethical questions there, but the freedom to assemble led to the robust wealth of the West and the First Amendment. So, who's leading us away from the freedom to assemble? Well, when Donald Trump talked with Elon Musk about labor unions, he said, they go on strike and you say, that's okay, you're all gone. Every one of you is gone. But labor unions built the middle class. What about protest? According to Trump's former Secretary of Defense, Mark Esper, when Trump saw the Black Lives Matter peaceful protesters in Washington, D.C., he said, can't you just shoot them? Just shoot them in the legs or something. He sent in the military against U.S. citizens. Trump will definitely send military force against Palestinians. Trump will send the military against you if he doesn't like your protest, if he thinks you're the enemy from within. So who is leading this country away from God? Really?